In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip camera in StreamYard. If you've ever looked at your preview and felt like left and right were swapped from what you expect in a selfie, this quick adjustment will make everything feel more natural on your end. Start by signing in to StreamYard and heading into your broadcast studio. You can open an existing broadcast or create a new one. Either way, you'll land in the studio where you can see your camera preview and the controls along the bottom. Give your camera a moment to load so you can clearly see the change when we flip it. Now, look to the bottom of the studio for the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. Depending on your layout, you'll either choose Camera or General Settings. Both paths lead you to the camera-related options you need, so pick the one you see. Inside that panel, find the option labeled Mirror My Video. Turn it on by checking the box. The change is instant. Your camera preview will flip horizontally. You'll notice that your gestures now behave like a mirror. Raise your right hand, and the right side of the screen reflects it back, so it feels just like a selfie view. This is especially helpful if you point to elements on screen or adjust your hair or wardrobe while looking at the preview, because what you see aligns with your intuition. A quick note for clarity. In StreamYard, the mirror setting is primarily for how you see yourself in the studio. Your audience will still see the correct, non-mirrored orientation, so text in your background and logos appear the right way for them. If you ever need to show printed materials to viewers exactly as you see them, you can temporarily toggle the mirror setting off to make lining things up easier on your side. If you're using multiple cameras, confirm the correct device is selected in the camera section before you mirror, so you're flipping the right feed. If the option seems unavailable, make sure your browser has permission to use your camera and that any virtual camera software is running properly. Good lighting will also help you clearly see the difference once you flip. To revert at any time, just return to Settings, uncheck Mirror My Video, and your preview will switch back immediately. That's all there is to it. With this small adjustment, your on-screen presence becomes more comfortable and intuitive while keeping the viewer experience clean and professional.